In the silence of the night, when the forest falls quiet, wolves begin to speak when night falls over the forest, and every sound slowly disappears. The distant howl of wolves begins to rise. People see them as dangerous, but wolves live for their family. They hunt together, travel together, and protect one another until the very end. But human fear and disappearing forests are slowly pushing them out of the wild. And maybe one day their voices will exist only in stories. Nature is speaking, are we still listening?